Stop putting your house on the line for business credit. Right now, thousands of business owners are unknowingly signing personal guarantees, basically handing over the keys to their home, their car, and their savings. And here's the wild part. You don't have to do that anymore. There are business cards out there in 2025 that approve you for thousands using nothing but your business info. No personal guarantees, no credit check, no risk to your personal assets. In this video, I'm revealing 7 of the best no personal guarantee business cards, including some that can give you over 6 figures in credit. Here's what most business videos get wrong. They show you cards that still require your personal credit or have impossible requirements for new businesses. But the real secret to getting approved for no personal guarantee cards isn't about having perfect credit scores. It's about understanding what I called the business first strategy. This means choosing cards that evaluate your business based on cash flow, revenue, and business performance, not your personal credit history. When you get this right, you can build serious business credit while protecting your personal assets. Your home stays safe, your personal credit stays clean, and your business gets the funding that it needs to grow. Let me put this into perspective. The average business owner who uses personal guarantees put $200,000 of personal assets at risk just to get a $10,000 line of credit. But with the right no PG cards, you can get that same credit line without risking a single dollar of your personal wealth. Of course, as a disclaimer, no PG cards are going to be best for well-established businesses and not those who haven't had any revenue. Let's start with a card that can get you high limits. The Revenue Business Card and Flex Line. This technically isn't a credit card. It's a credit line that comes with a Visa card for instant access to your funds. You can get approved for credit lines up to $250,000. That's not a typo. We're talking about real money here. But here's what makes Revenue special. They don't care about your personal credit score and zero personal guarantee is required. Instead, they take a look at your business cash flow and revenue. If your business is depositing at least $20,000 per month into your business bank account, you're in the game. The requirements are pretty straightforward. Your business needs to be at least 1 year old. You need to have a separate business bank account with at least 3 months of activity, minimum of $20,000 per month in deposits. They accept any business entity except sole proprietorships, and you must be based in the US. Now, there is a cost. Revenue uses factor rates between 1.1 to 1.5, which means that if you borrow $100,000, you might have to pay back $110,000 to $150,000 depending on your business strength. But here's the thing. You only pay when you use the funds. There's no monthly fees, no annual fees, and there's no hidden costs. They also report to Dun & Bradstreet, so you're building business credit every month that you make payments. If you want serious capital and want zero personal risks, this is the card to get. But what if your business is smaller and you don't need 6-figure credit lines? That's where the next card comes in. The Mercury Charge Card is perfect for smaller businesses that want premium benefits without the massive credit requirements. This card gives you unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no caps, no categories to track, and no personal guarantee is required. But here's the catch. You need to be a business banking customer and maintain at least $15,000 in your Mercury business account. Now, before you think that this is too much, remember that this money stays in your account earning interest. You're not paying Mercury $15,000, you're just keeping that balance available. Mercury doesn't check your personal credit at sign up. Everything is based on your business account health and cash flow. You will also get exclusive discounts on business tools like AWS, Microsoft, and Google Cloud. Plus, the card comes with MasterCard's zero liability and fraud protection. And here's the big benefit. Mercury reports to the major business credit bureaus like Equifax Business and Dun & Bradstreet. So every purchase that you make is building your business credit profile. The card also integrates perfectly with Mercury's banking platform, giving you real-time expense tracking. Speaking of value, our next card might be the most underrated option on this entire list. The Ramp Charge Card is what I call the automation king of business cards. This card doesn't just give you credit, it actively helps you save money on every purchase through AI-powered spending controls and automatic expense management. You will earn an unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases, but that's just the beginning. Ramp's platform connects directly to your accounting software and automatically categorizes every expense in real time. But here's what makes Ramp special. They can offer high credit limits compared to others in the no PG space. I've seen businesses get approved for 6 figures of credit lines solely based on their cash flow and revenue. Ramp, they do claim up to 20% higher credit limits than traditional business credit cards. As every other card on the list, Ramp does not require a personal guarantee or personal credit check. It can be tough for smaller businesses to qualify for the card because it used to be a $75,000 bank balance, but now you can get a Ramp card with a business bank account balance of just $25,000. The approval process is fast, often within 24 hours, and the credit limit can automatically increase as your business grows. You also get exclusive discounts with Ramp partners, including major savings on tools like AWS, Slack, and OpenAI. And just like the other cards, Ramp reports to the business credit bureaus, so you're building credit at the same time. But here's what I love most about Ramp, their spending controls. You can set automatic limits for different expense categories. You get real-time alerts for unusual spending, and even block certain types of purchases. Ramp is one of the most advanced business credit platforms available. The automation feature alone could save you hours of bookkeeping every month. Now, if you want something simpler without all the bells and whistles, our next card might be exactly what you need. The Ro Corporate Card is a no-nonsense option on the list. This card focuses on one thing really well, giving you straightforward business credit with excellent cashback rewards. You will earn up to 2% cashback on the Ro Platinum or 1.25% for the standard on all purchases with no caps or category restrictions. Ro doesn't require a personal guarantee or personal credit check. They evaluate your business based on your cash flow, revenue, and overall financial health. The card integrates seamlessly with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks and NetSuite, making expense tracking pretty easy. You can issue virtual cards to employees with customizable spending limits and restrictions, giving you complete control over your business expenses. And there's no annual fees, no fees for same-day ACH, wires, and checks. One thing to watch out for is that Ro generally does charge a foreign transaction fee. So this is not the card to take with you during business trips. The approval process is straightforward and based entirely on your business data. Ro takes a holistic approach, looking at your overall business performance rather than focusing on any single metric. Your credit limit grows with your business. As your revenue and cash flow increases, Ro will continue to underwrite you for possible higher credit limit. Next are cards that most business owners completely overlook when building business credit. Gas fleet cards might be the most underrated business credit builders available. I'm talking about cards like the Shell Fleet, Circle K Pro, and WEX Fleet. These cards are specifically designed for businesses that spend money on fuel and vehicle expenses. Here's why these cards are incredible for building business credit. First, there are plenty of no PG cards to get approved for. Some gas cards completely focus on your business fuel usage rather than credit scores or revenue requirements. Second is that you save 5 to 6 cents per gallon at participating gas stations. For businesses with vehicle fleets or high fuel usage, this adds up to hundreds or thousands of savings every year. Third, most gas cards report to the business credit bureaus, helping you build trade lines and improve your business credit profile. And fourth, many of these cards are accepted at over 90% of fuel stations nationwide. So you're not limited to just one brand. The requirements are similar to traditional business credit cards. You need a valid business license, a commercial vehicle registration, or proof of business fuel usage, and basic business information. Next up is one of the newest cards in the no PG space. The Flex Visa Infinite Business Credit Card is one of the most premium business cards with no personal guarantee that dropped in 2025. This company claims to be the first US fintech to offer a Visa Infinite Business Card for small to mid-sized businesses. As a Visa Infinite card, you get high-end perks such as global airport and lounge access via Priority Pass, concierge services, luxury hotel benefits, and insurance protections. You also get trip delay protection, lost luggage reimbursement, auto rental insurance, and exclusive access to dining and entertainment events. But here's what makes this card special for business owners. Flex offers net 60 payment terms on purchases. That means that you have 60 days to pay off your balance interest-free, giving you incredible cash flow flexibility. Flex doesn't check your personal credit. They evaluate your business based on your cash flow, revenue, and transaction history through the Flex business account. There is a revenue threshold. Businesses are expected to have at least $50,000 a month in revenue to qualify. The card integrates deeply with Flex's AI-powered expense management platform, giving you automatic categorization, team-wide spending controls, and AP automation. One of the downsides is that they won't offer this card to sole proprietors and businesses that are based in California, Vermont, South Dakota, North Dakota, and Nevada. Now, our final card might be the easiest approval on this entire list. The FinFair Business Charge Card is what I call the hidden gem of no personal guarantee cards. The thing is that most people have never heard of this card, but it is issued by Cross River Bank and runs out of the MasterCard network. So, you know it is legitimate. You earn 1.5% cash back on eligible purchases, plus up to 4% cash back at over 20,000 restaurants through the MasterCard Easy Savings program. This card also gives you discounts on business tools like QuickBooks and Instacart, plus up to 7% off prepaid stays through Booking.com. But here's what makes FinFair special. They are welcoming to new businesses, which is different from most on the list. There's no specific minimum revenue requirements, and their approval is based on your business growth potential and overall financial health. The card is available to US-based LLCs, corporations, and partnerships, but not sole proprietors. There are no annual fees, and as long as you pay on time, there are no other fees either. So that's exactly how you can get approved for business cards without putting your personal assets at risk. But here's something that I didn't tell you at the start of this video. Everything that I showed you is just the beginning. These no PG cards are great for getting started, but there's a whole world of business credit that can take your funding to the next level. I'm talking about strategies that can get you over $100,000 or more in business credit at 0% APR, even with a brand new LLC. Click on this video right here where I'll show you the exact step-by-step process that business owners are using to get access to serious